Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Google Drive login with Google or Apple not working. First of all, ensure your Google account is active and it is not suspended. Next, update the Drive app by going to the App Store, search for Google Drive, and then see if there is an update button available. If there is, update your app to the latest version. Next, we're going to restart your iPhone, and then if you sign in with Apple, if you're using sign in with Apple, confirm you use that option when creating the account. Otherwise, use Google credentials. Safety tip: keep recovery emails and phones numbers up to date for account recovery. Quick fix: sign in through Safari. Sign in through Safari to confirm account access, then return to the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.